All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO. What's going on with it? Should you buy the coin? What do you think of the coin? LeBron James just won his game on his birthday, his 37th birthday. He won it in crypto.com. We're going to go over that. We're going to check out the website, check out the Twitter, do a little price prediction of what we think this coin's going to do. Also, the Metaverse. How to buy property on the Metaverse. This is a big thing. People are wanting to know. Well, first of all, property as overall is up everywhere. So when you buy real estate property, it's up everywhere for good investment. But on the Metaverse, I mean, this could be a really good investment. So how do you buy it on the Metaverse? We're going to dig into that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody know about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Maybe you'll own some property in the Metaverse. It could happen there too. All right, did you all have a good New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, 2022? We know 2021 was the year cryptocurrency became mainstream. Now 2022, we need to all figure out what's the coins that we want to look at, have on our radar. Let's head over to crypto.com. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, crypto.com, the 15th cryptocurrency on our planet on the coin market cap. It's down about 8% in the last 7 days, so it could be a little discount buy, possibly. It's down not even 0.25% in the last 24 hours. Traded at around 57 cents if you take a look here, crypto.com. Code is CRO. Clicking it. All right, in the last 24 hours, it's up 0.75%. 58 cents the coin's at right now. Pretty awesome. Let's check out the last 7 days. Last 7 days, the coin was actually up at 64 cents. It got all the way up to 65 cents. It kind of came back down, 58 cents, and it kind of came down again. It's trying to find its level, and it's at 57. Then it kind of came down again, trying to find its level. So right here, we're at about 57 cents right this second. Checking out the holders of crypto.com, CRO. Clicking the 3 months. So 3 months ago, we had about 114,000 holders of CRO, crypto.com. That was October 4th. November 9th, it went from 114 to 120. And going all the way over to January 1st, 114 to 189. So let's make it 190. So about 75,000 more. 75, yeah, about a 65-70%. So a 65-70% more people own in CRO in just the last 90 days. Well, you know, it's going to even get more popular here, guys. Here we go. Over here at the Twitter, crypto.com, first thing I want to do, we're going to go back to this real quick, but it says right here, a day after his 37th birthday, King James, take a look here. So King James is doing real good. Now, the interesting thing, take a look at the crypto.com on the ground, on the arena floor.
And throws it. McLemore misses, tapped by LeBron, controls it himself. Yeah, quickly. Who's going to stop it?
So again, we got LeBron James playing in crypto.com. It's going to be fantastic, everybody. LeBron. Also right here, just in time for New Year's, we crossed 1.5 million followers. Since January, welcome 1.2 million followers on Twitter. We're at 1.5 million, everybody. That's fantastic. Crypto.com, CRO, 1.5 million. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you own some CRO? Is this one of the ones that are on your radar? Are you thinking about it? Here's some of my thoughts. The Lakers Staples Center got renamed to Crypto.com. Now and it went from red to blue. So the whole stadium used to be red. Now the whole stadium's blue. Crypto.com. Every single person sitting in the stands for the next 20 years. Oh, hey, go on your phone. Just see what Shiba Inu is. Let's see what AMP token is. Let's see. Oh, let's buy some Crow. You know, what happens when they do events and they actually give out Crow for being whatever the case is. So all I know is more and more people are going to hear about Crypto.com because of the stadium. And Super Bowl's coming up. Crypto.com and FTX are both going to spend millions and millions on Super Bowl ads. That's going to happen in February. So I really like this token. I'll come back to the price prediction in a little bit. We're going to go head over to the Metaverse, buying properties on the Metaverse. This could also be another good investment for year 2022. Right here, how to buy real estate in the metaverse, a step-by-step guide. Well, it says to buy property in a virtual world, you'll need to sign up with a metaverse platform like Decentraland or the Sandbox or Axie Infinity, among others. All you will need to do is transact in the metaverse as a well-funded digital wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can buy real estate in the metaverse. So real estate in the metaverse is going to be big. It's not going anywhere. Metaverse is a step towards the digitalization of a real world through the combination of reality and virtual real estate, and virtual reality and video. The virtual universe allows us to work, play, and stay connected with friends in the virtual world through their digital avatars. So we're all going to have an avatar. We're going to, you can look like yourself or you can change it. You got purple hair, you can do whatever you want. From holding a conference to taking a trip around the virtual world, there'll be plenty of things to do in the metaverse. But it seems to be catching the investors' fancy in real estate. The number of property deals in the metaverse has been making headlines with record $1 million transactions reported every week. To buy property in the virtual world, you will need to sign up to a metaverse platform like Decentraland, the Sandbox, or Axie Infinity. Also, you will need to convert your dollars into cryptocurrency of the native currency. For example, in the metaverse, in Decentraland, you're going to use Mana. In the Sandbox, you're going to use their token. Here's your step-by-step. Step number 1, visit the property marketplace on Metaverse, such as Decentraland, Axie Infinity, or the Sandbox, and log into the platform. So you need to get in. Step 1. Step 2, just like the real world, browse the various available pieces of land and compare the prices. You need to kind of compare 3 or 4 or 10 properties that you want. Step 3, once you have selected the digital piece of land that you wish to buy, click on it, read more about it. Here's an important thing to remember in the metaverse properties. The platform will allow you to purchase the platform by using the approved cryptocurrency. Another thing, you don't have to worry about fixer-uppers or anything like that. I mean, you're totally okay in the metaverse. Number 4, the next step is link your digital wallet to the property platform account. For example, again, in Decentraland, you would need to use Mana. MetaMask is by far the most popular digital wallet available in the market today. It is compatible with almost every property platform in the metaverse. So MetaMask is probably your ticket. Number 5, it's important to fund your digital wallet with cryptocurrency that is compatible with the digital property platform you choose. You can easily purchase the same through many exchanges and stores crypto safely in your digital wallet. After you're done selecting the land and finding the funding linked to your digital wallet, all you will need to do is press Buy Now. Step 6. Once you have completed the transaction, the piece of digital land purchase will be stored in an NFT in the links on your digital wallet. You can view your acquired land under the NFT tab in your digital wallet section today. It says right here, unlike the investing in property market in the real world where you acquire physical land really exists, the digital land in the metaverse will become non-existent if the platform that you bought the land fails and goes offline. The other point you must keep in mind that the high volatility associated with cryptocurrency used to transact the property market in the metaverse and the digital currency is not stable. Well, here you go, a step-by-step guide to buy properties in the metaverse. So give us your thoughts. Are you going to buy some property in the metaverse? Are you going to get yourself an island? You're going to go to Alaska? You're going to buy a condominium? What's your thoughts? Do you think this is a silly idea? Do you like the idea? Is it another just off the wall kind of idea? I don't know. Did you watch the goggles to watch the New York ball dropping? That just happened the other day. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right. Let's head back over to CRO and do a little price prediction. All right, over here. I do like to play this right here, though. Here we go.
History is filled with almosts, with those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
Crypto.com. Well, everybody, we're going to be seeing this on the Super Bowl probably coming up in February, so there's going to be a lot of advertisements. Crypto.com is doing really well. All right, over here, Crypto.com is traded at 57 cents. What do we think this coin can get to? Well, it's been up recently. I think it can easily get to 65 to 70 cents in the next quarter. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But with all the everything going on and people in the arena and the advertisements and stuff, this coin is definitely going to be on the uptick. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, and Crypto.com is number 16. We got Binance at number 15. It's down a little bit, not even 0.2%. Polygon is right here at $2.53, down 9% in the last 7 days. Could be a good discount buy. Shiba Inu right now is down 11%. You may want to check that out. Dogecoin is down 9% in the last 7 days. Luna's down 10% in the last 7 days. XRP is down 7% in the last 7 days. So discount buys. Cardano bounced back up 1.82, 2% almost. Solana's down 11%, maybe a discount buy there. Ethereum's down 7%, and Bitcoin is down 6%, 46,900. All right, so give us your thoughts of what are you thinking about the cryptocurrency. Is it going up? Is it going down? Are you going to ever go to crypto.com? I'm definitely going to go watch the Lakers play in the new arena. I'll take my phone. We'll do some videotapes there, to make sure everybody knows what's going on. So I'm pretty excited about that. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today on Sunday.